think they're flamingos because of their color, but...
Oh, hi guys! Hi!
They're
Oh,
pink for
beautiful.
the same reasons that flamingos are, due to their diet.
Their diet, okay. Roseate spoonbills.
Yep.
So is this something where people can normally come in here and interact?
This is our aviary.
Nice.
Houses a lot of native birds. The ducks are, and the seagull, and the pheasant.
Oh.
Some whistling ducks, some roseate spoonbills.
Oh.
A coot.
It's pretty quiet around here. You miss your jaguar friends? You might not, but you're like, thank goodness they're gone. No. So all of these birds, were they, could you leave them in here? Okay.
Yeah, they all got left in here.
They got left in here and probably terrified.
They're all
Oh.
native, with the exception of the domestic ducks and the pigeons. So like the whistling ducks actually came to us as little tiny chicks.
Okay.
Or ducklings rather. They were very, very cute. I don't know the story on the spoonbills. They were here far longer than me.
Okay.
Pigeon over here.
Okay.
Somebody's ex-pet.
Guys, don't get exotic pets. I'm sorry. I just want to say
you do,
that.
just
Unless
do
you are
research
a
first.
zookeeper and you know how to handle them. It's just not probably a good idea. That's just my opinion, though.
I'm not against it.
Yeah.
You do your research and you have a realistic expectation of what you're getting into. Then
Yeah, I think a lot of people don't. So do your research if you get an exotic pet. Wow. That macaw is so wanting some attention. Okay.
Rhett.
Rhett. Like Rhett Butler.
And then the scarlet is the red one.
It's okay. Hey! Hi! Hello, you're very loud.
They're very loud, they're very intelligent.
And you will bite.
Yes.
Okay.
They're also very destructive because in the wild, they're kind of in charge of repopulating the forest as far as, trees and plants go.
You guys.
Big roll.
Oh, beautiful though. My gosh. Wow. This is probably one of the most exciting things to see at the zoo, for especially little kids and all those beautiful colors.
Very interactive.
Very cool. But not so interactive that we want to put our hand in the cage.
Regret it.